Adjustable temperature quick heating electric soldering iron set. 3 colors are available. European plug. Stable performance. Non-slip handle. Safe and anti-scalding. And degree display. The temperature can be adjusted independently. Apply rosin to the tip of the soldering iron. Solder wire bottle. Safe and do not hurt hands. Fast heating. Safe and easy tin. It can clean up impurities on the soap sponge, then wait for it to cool down and put it away. Solder straws can quickly remove solder, separate the solder body. A variety of styles of soldering iron tips. Rotate the stainless steel tube sleeve out to replace the soldering iron head. Small electronic components can be removed with tweezers. Miniature pliers, suitable for trimming various wires. Quick tin, safe and harmless. 6-piece set of desoldering aids, used to assist in welding and repairing various circuit boards, etc., used for circuit board components, pressing, drilling, prying, poking, cutting, scraping, hooking, brushing, pulling and other operations.